So guys, today we are going to arrange my patio by the water down there. So I'm going to take you with me, and I'm going to show you, because today the weather is very nice here in Holland. It's very warm. It's like 35 degrees or something. So we're going to sit down there by the water because it's more cool. So that's why I'm going to arrange there. So come with guys. Our launch for the patio has come today, so they brought it is inside here, and also my hanging chair. So I'm going to take it there on the other side, and then we are going to hang it. We're going to open this one, and then we take it to direct them, and then we can remove the cushion. So guys, this is our lounge, which I'm going to put on my patio by the water, and this is how it came packed, and we are just going to remove it, so it will be easy for us to carry it, because we are on our front yard. They just deliver it, so we are still on our front yard, so we have to move it on our backyard. And on our backyard, where I'm going to put it by the water, it's really at the end, so we have to walk a distance, so it will be easy for us if we just remove it out of the box and then we go put it there. So this lounge is a L-shaped lounge, and if you're asking where I bought it, for some of you who doesn't know where I live in Holland, and in Holland there's a shop called Overvecht. So I usually go there because they sell a lot of things around your home. They sell home decors, they sell outside furnitures, and also they sell inside furnitures. They sell inside your home plant and also outside plants. So they have everything in your garden, things to do with your garden, things to do with in your home, apart from utensils, but the rest they have it there. So I usually love to go there. They're a little bit pricey, but they have a very quality things. So sometimes you need to spend a little bit. So yes guys, that's what we're doing. My water patio is right here. I think you've seen it guys before. So it's right here. So let me just go the other side here. So I have my pod here standing, so I'm going to put you guys here so you can see me good. So this is where, that is my launch, and I'm going first of all to sweep, and I'm going to give this plant of mine water because it's drying up. So I'm going to do that first. Don't mind my nails, one just came out. So I'm going to do the other one. I'm going to put to arrange here nicely, and I'm going to sweep it and remove some of these chairs there. They have a lot of spiders because of the trees and the plants and everything that we have here. So we can just enjoy sitting here today because it's much cooler. So my daughter will be here in the jacuzzi just taking her swim, and I'll be here, so it's easy. So yes guys, let's go. guys, are you ready to see? You ready? So I was going for a blue and white theme and gray. So my lunch is gray, and I decided to pair it with blue and white. As you can see, my throw is blue and white, and I also have some cushions blue and white, and I have that one saying Summer Paradise, and my water jar also was kind of blue and golden. I was just going for that kind of thing that you're seeing there. So I'm so happy how it came out, and yeah, so you guys enjoy watching, and thank you very much for being here, and thank you for being my subscriber. If you like, please like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because I'm going to come with much more, because I think now I'm going towards the vlogging and house decor. I'll be bringing a lot on this channel of mine. So guys, that's it, and thank you very much for being here, and enjoy, keep on watching, and see you next time. Mwah! Love you. Bye.